Hi, my name is 𝘂𝗶𝗹𝗁. I'm a formulation consultant here in the U.S. for BestMix, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about our identification software or tool that can really improve the intake of your raw materials when you're receiving them. So today we're going to start with 𝘂𝗶𝗏𝗁 here, or a bag that we think is 𝘂𝗶𝗏𝗁. And this is a little bit, I'll walk you guys through the process of what it looks like when you receive that sample from the truck driver. The truck driver will bring in the sample in this bag, also with the delivery order form that's indicated here with this barcode. First, we'll go ahead and scan that barcode, and that's just going to tell us what is this supposed to be in this bag. So from there, we'll then place it on the NIR, where we will detect what is actually in that bag or that raw material shipment that was brought in. To initiate that process, we're going to go ahead and click measure. And when you get the resampling alert, that just means we need to move that sample around just to get a more accurate measurement of what is actually in that raw material sample. And it'll do that a few times just to get a really accurate measurement of what we have in the bag. So as you can see here, we got an alarm. So what does that alarm mean? It does say we do have 𝘂𝗶𝗏𝗁 in this bag, but you can also see it indicates that level is really low and not of great quality. And we also have some other measurements as well that we just don't really like what we're seeing here. So what we can do, instead of that first initial visual check that you're probably typically doing today, we take it a step further with our first line 𝘂𝐶 functionality. So what is this kind of telling us here? This first line here is giving us a determination of what is it supposed to be? What is that visual spectrometer supposed to look like? And then again, you see that blue line, and that's kind of telling us what this sample is measuring against that control there. So as we can see here, there's something really wrong with what's in that bag there. And we may not want to put it into production and create a finished product with it. So now what we can do is either reject this that raw material shipment based on what we read in this sample, or we can overrule it. That kind of just depends on what your quality assurance team wants to do at that time. So this really gives you the power and assurance of what you're receiving in your shipment is truly what it is, and it can really improve your formulation process and your quality control.